My camera's rolling.
Yeah, I gotta check mine. We just did Easy Street. We could do that again, or we could take Caper over to Snowden.
Oh, that is deep.
Let's take Caper over to Snowden.
Here.
In that case, I'm gonna get a head start.
Okay. Look that way.
Why are my glasses
That
foggy?
seems fine.
I don't.
Alright, look this way. Alright, squirting. You're good.
We're rolling, you said?
Yeah.
I really wish I had brought a lighter jacket.
Yeah, I know.
A lever?
Lighter.
Lighter.
Oh.
Like the fluid?
Yeah. You got it. I know what you mean.
He wants to set things on fire.
I know, it's chemist in him.
I mean, arsonist. No, chemist, you're right. What exactly do you mean by the chemist in me? I am very much a chemist.
Well, you said one time that you were a human first and then a chemist.
Yeah, all right, yes. That's true.
Human first and then a chemist. That's what.
A chemist is just my job.
Yeah.
A job that I very much enjoy.
Yeah, other things
but
too, you know? You're a skier, a soccer player,
people, a person who stacks things.
a stacker.
Mm-hmm.
So I feel like chemist.
Sort of a musician.
Thank you.
Description doesn't really encompass all those things.
Yeah,
We're sitting here doing nothing.
I'm uncomfortable. Let's go.
Very good, sir.
Tell you guys.
Onward.
I didn't bring a lighter jacket. I'm tempted to ski like this. I really am.
Like that tie to your waist and
Yeah. I'm wearing 4 layers. You got here with one.
You're wearing 4 layers?
What?
You're wearing 4 layers?
You're talking to me?
Yeah.
She said
am.
that.
Oh, you are.
Yep.
You're wearing.
I'm wearing a t-shirt and a jacket.
I'm wearing a t-shirt and a long sleeve and a sweater and then my jacket.
And you're not hot? Oh boy.
Maybe standing here.
All right.
Nice and insulated.
Let's roll out.
Are we going that way?
Yeah.
Andrew's spirit
We are
animal is a husky.
following the trail Caper. Actually, we could go the long way around. Up to you. Okay. It's a
Your
bit more
spirit
challenging.
animal is a husky.
No, it's an Arctic fox.
I'm going with husky.
No,
You're loud, easily hot, you enjoy the cold, and you entice others to scream with you.
I like that. Spin on it. I am a meerkat. What's your spirit animal?
That's a good question. I don't know. I don't know. What do you think my spirit animal is?
I'll have to think on it.
Where did your parents go?
My dad is right there. My mom's headed down. So let's go.
Biggie called.
I see.
It took me a moment for me too to hear the voice.
Let's go.
Hey, got you on frame.
Nice.
You're beginning to form spaghetti legs.
I know I'm trying harder today. It's sort of working.
What happened?
Spaghetti legs.
What does that mean?
I can't do it the other way right now. But
French fries.
So are we going that way or this way?
Yeah, which way are we going?
this way, I believe.
Okay.
Here, that way.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Skid, skid, skid. Side slip.
I wonder how the camera's gonna register my nodding like that.
All right.
Okay.
Pretty much clean.
What's clean?
The mountain.
Oh.
Not too many people.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
My lower body's getting hot.
What are you gonna do? Take off your pants?
I don't think I should.
Like leggings under them?
I do, yeah, but I could take them off.
Oh yeah, you could do that.
I might have to do that when we get down to the base.
Okay.
All right.
Get going.
What?
Get going.
I'll move. But yeah, I'm uncomfortably warm.
What's your concentrate?
Right now, I'm trying to get low.
Just trying to get low.
Yes, like low.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to do right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
You may have a little flexibility. But, all right, that's what I'm sort of trying to do. Actually, I try to basically steer with my legs as opposed to my hips,
Okay.
which will give me. I can't do it because I'm going to the side, but yeah, which will tip the edges on edge to be somewhat redundant.
That was interesting. Did you see that?
I did. Well, teach his own.
Rahul, you're next.
Allez.
Very good.
Allez, allons. Allez, allons. I've got you on recording, so.
Mr. Fedor is making his way down the
Yeah,
mountain.
that's quite good.
He's going with
Nice.
short strokes.
Nice form.
That was
Very
good.
nice.
Yeah.
And I have it on recording. That was quite good.
You were leaning opposite of the direction you're turning. Which is what you should be doing.
Like that.
Yeah, because you want if your skis
Shoulder
are up
parallel
this
to the
way,
mountain.
Yeah, so you want basically your hips over on this side.
Shoulders parallel to the mountain is how I think about
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Rahul,
Yes.
you see Siberian
Yes.
storm?
Yes.
It's great.
Yes.
Hate both of you.
Very fast.
Siberium.
Username that I used to use a lot for old stuff was Siberian Frostbait.
I'm using that for who?
For stuff.
Oh, all right.
Siberian Frost. It's a fictional salt
Oh,
that I came up with in sophomore year high school chemistry class.
okay, I gotta go find your mother.
All right.
You said you had that on camera?
Oh yeah, I have that. I hope. Nothing went wrong. I had it on camera.
on you.
Hello.
Oh, he's gone. He has disappeared into the distance. All right, I'll catch up. What do you think?
You're still very easy to pick out. It's funny. I don't know what I mean by this, but you have a very square form. It's very square. It's very rectangular, square. You know.
Yeah.
I don't know what I mean by that, but. I guess partially it's wide. I'm not saying like too wide or whatever, but it's I guess wider than I'm used to seeing, shall we say. Ooh. One down.
He's a lot like you.
Oh.
That reaction after falling down.
Oh. Dramatic. Oh. That's me, yeah.
She kept going, I think. We keep going then too?
Sure. I love this part here right at the end. This will bring us to the Snowden 6.
What's that?
This will bring us to the Snowden 6.
Oh, Snowden. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where everybody-
Avu.
And
Nine.
first.
Me. Alright.
Oh, I forgot my goggles.
There you go.
Hello, Mrs. Vidor.
Hello. You're looking really good, by the way.
Thank you. I have had at thee. Oh, careful. I always feel like a penguin at the end, just floundering
Oh, there's
on
nothing-
flat ground or uphill.
Yes. Is that okay?
Yeah. I thought we had to walk across.
No.
Andrew,
Yeah.
is it open?
Ovation? Pretty sure it is.
Those are the bumps on it.
Oh my god, look at the moguls. Holy.
Well, is what it is.
That's terrifying.
That's really
I think we
scary.
could do it.
Wait, Ovation's that one, right? The one on the right?
Yeah.
That's Superstar on the left.
But that's like a bunch of dirt, right? Like,
Where?
Oh, on the right-hand side of Ovation?
Yeah,
Oh,
so
those are
don't-
rocks.
So
Oh
don't
my
ski over
god.
them.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't ski over those.
Left.
That's super cool.
Is that also a diamond?
Oh yeah. That's black. The middle of that one is black. The bottom of that one is double. The ones over there are blue and black. That's bittersweet and Skylark. I'm sorry.
Elevation lower is a double. Superstar is single.
Okay, so we go down.